Hi everyone, here we've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find System. Let's tap on it, and as you can see on the 4th position we've got backup option, so let's tap. Now this option is turned off. Make sure that it will be turned on. Simply tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, thanks to this, we've got the account option activated. So let's tap on it. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, tap on Next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and after that, click on Next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. If you want to read it, simply tap on it, choose the one you want to check, and here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So let's click on OK. Let's get back and let's check if it is working. As you can see here we've got our newly added Google account, and from now on all the content will be stored in the Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.